You guys gotta see this. Look at how much snow we got. Got like a ton of snow. Can't see anything. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Obviously we have some major snow shoveling. Hey, poppies! Hey, guys! That's some deep snow, huh? Check it out. And look at this one. It says, Mama, Mama, let me in. Hey, Maeve. Hi, darling. Hi, Tinny. Unbelievable amount of snow. Seriously.
You sound like a reviewer.
I am amazed. Look at that. That's my fence. See how much that drifted? If it was hard-packed snow, they could walk right up my fence. Hi, Guzzy. Hi, Guzzy. What are you doing with that stick?
I'm playing with it. I always do. I've had it over here for like 3 days.
Maybe playing with Clear Bear.
Maybe. Silly. Cleaning it right now. So it can actually be. Ouch.
Joey.
Does he like snow?